Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Gabe, if you're new to my channel. Today's video, we're going to be going over how I managed to finally get on podium here in Brazil, karting. I finished 5th out of 30. Now, usually in the US, top 3 are podium, but here in Brazil, since the field is so deep, they do top 6 actually, and that's how I managed to get up on podium. So, kind of a crazy story. My first league race, I had a cart that the cart that I used was really bad. The clutch was slipping, and I finished 14th, which is really uncharacteristic of me, even when I'm having like the worst nights. So, yeah. Luckily this time I was able to get some good carts. Free practice, I was laying down the 5th best time, and the free practice includes the lights, pros, and super pro drivers. I'm a lights driver, so to be up there in top 5 was pretty awesome. I felt really good heading into the race, and then come time for qualifying, and I get a cart that I felt was fast, and I went to adjust the seat because it was all the way to the back. I like to have my seat as far forward as I possibly can to just get that mid-engine vibe type feel, you know, that good balance, and the seat wouldn't lock in place. And so the entire qualifying session, I was sitting there driving on a course that was pretty damn rough. A lot of sharp turns, a lot of like drops in elevation, sudden drops, which kept sliding me back and forth. So really not ideal. I was not able to set a qualifying time near my best time during free practice. I was like in the 43s, which still that was able to get me 14th, so right in the middle of the pack. I told the flag workers, they helped me get a new cart, but by the time I got back on track, qualifying was over and I had to grid up. So, yeah, started 14th, and as you'll see, I worked my way through the pack as far as I possibly could before the race ends. And I feel like if I would have gotten another lap, I would have been able to get into 3rd, but that's just how it goes. Definitely felt like if I would have had a good qualifying lap, like one that I knew I could have set, I wouldn't have to work so hard through the pack, which would have been easier for me to either gain positions or hold the position that I have, just for the fact that I know that the guys behind me are battling it out to try and catch up to me. So that was my struggle, is just literally trying to get around dudes just so that I could get to the front of the pack. And in a 15-minute race, that sounds like a lot of time, but when the rest of the pack is pretty damn close in times and pretty fast, it makes for a really good challenge. So it was a lot of fun overall. Finally, like I said, got myself a trophy. I'm super ecstatic about it, and I can't wait for the next league race. The next one is in 2 more weeks. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Also, before I go, I want to give a shout out to Studio RSR's YouTube page. They just dropped their first episode of the Coda Super Lap Battle vlog. So if you guys haven't seen that, head over there, check that out. It came out so good. Hopefully we can get the next episode before April 1st like they're talking about. That would be really nice, but you know, I know those guys are putting in a lot of effort to put out the quality that they did, really. And then also my 2nd episode of my vlog will be dropping this Thursday. So yeah, stick around for that. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this one. Take it easy.
Aqui então, vamos lá. Vamos deixar o seu joinha, que é sempre muito importante, beleza? Eu peço de coração. Rafael Medeiros larga em primeiro. Nós teremos na categoria Light 30 pilotos agora na pista. Boa noite, Tom, e um joinha, Luiz Carlos. Valeu, Luiz Carlos. Faça como Luiz Carlos. Olha o seu Pedrão. o sexto, são os 6 primeiros. Já tem briga, tem ultrapassagem na freada da curva 1. Quem fez a ultrapassagem é o 22. Meteu do lado e foi embora. O piloto do kart 22, Gabriel Zamora. Aí o nome dos 22. retardatária, hein? O Gabriel é o 7º. E o 50 é o Marcos Vinícius, 26º. Segura! Opa! Deu uma escapada pelo Trocart 2. O Gabriel Coquinos, ele vinha coladaço pra cima do Gabriel. Rafael vai na primeira colocação, Marcelo Andrade é o segundo, Renato Macoto é o terceiro, Vinícius é o quarto. Tem gente parada ali, o Caio César é o quinto, Gabriel Zamora tá no pódio, hein?